morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Hey, me and my wife were talking about something last night. I seen on the news that they have this, I don't know, I'm not a gamer, but I seen these games where kids were getting all upset because the game got shut off. It's funny, I don't have any young kids anymore, but if I did, I sure the heck would take some of them games away, get them outside, let them play outside, get into a hobby. And what I said to my wife is, you know what a great hobby would be? You want to reconnect with the kids? Build a hot rod. And I mean that. This way you can teach the kid hands-on experience and they might really get to enjoy working on cars, which is not a bad thing. Hey, it's giving me a good living. But what I happen to have here is one of our 427 Cobra engines. This happens to start out with a base block Windsor. This happens to be a dark block. It's got a full forged rotating assembly in it, hand-filed rings. AFR heads. This one has to have a T-sump can oil pan on it. Tech system. We run 90% fuel-injected engines today. Any one of our engines. We love the fuel injection. It gives you better startup, better idle quality, and again, no fussing. Once it's done and right, amazing. The enjoyment you'll have. All of our engines are custom built to order also. This one happens to make 634 horsepower, and again runs beautifully, and it'll go from here across country if the customer would like to. I want to thank everybody for watching our videos. If you're interested in one of our motors, give Steve a call, 1-800-267-3940. And remember, what do I always say? The proof is in the performance. Thank you. Dan, got your 1967 Ford Mustang Ford engine here, which happens to be one of our 427 Windsors EFI engines. We're going to fire the bad boy up. Watch the oil come up a little bit, and we'll wait till it settles down, and we'll be ready to make a pull. Beautiful oil pressure. There you go, our idle is now stable.